Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this is Tool Haul, Episode 7. Stay tuned. Alrighty everybody, this here's a short tool haul, episode 7. Had some surprise points, so went to Sears and I'd already opened them and stuff, but I'll bring my screen back up here. I got my 1/4" ratchet, teardrop, my first one, and I got 3/8 teardrop, two more wrenches in my small collection of ratchets. Great addition. Big old funky tooths. I don't know what the count is in these, your basic ratchets here, but they will work for me. So that's my short tool haul for January 4th. So happy 4th of July everybody. Everybody be safe out there. I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay safe.